Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's try to fire roll some denim fray. The fray that I cut off of these shorts right here. Usually I will not fire roll a fiber that is not long and continuous because the roll has to compact to get tighter and tighter and be able to withstand all of the pressures that I'm putting on it. And these short fibers here, unless they can sort of capture and entangle themselves and turn themselves into a tight holding medium, I really don't think this is going to work. But I'm not going to just throw away all this good cotton denim without giving it a try. So let's see what we can do to make these fibers hold on to one another in a very strong way. And we can't lose, because I'm going to put wood ashes on these, and we already know that any tinder that we saturate with wood ashes will turn that tinder into a great coal extender. So we will be able to Wallet Fresnel lens solar ignite these, or empty Bic ignite these. They will catch readily and keep on burning till I get ready to aerate it into a very intense ember and get the flames using pine needles on top of leaves. We're going to be able to make that hold together. Let's try that. And I left my other top board out overnight, and it is soaking wet, so I have this 1x4. Quarter teaspoon of ash. Plenty of ashes on the table. I'll do several forward rolls to try to get it to compact without the back and forth movement, because I think the back and forth rolling is just gonna try to tear it apart. The bigger your fire roll, the bigger diameter, the harder you have to work. Let's see what happens. Let's go for it. If you don't see smoke, go back and roll it some more. I was not expecting that. All right, you've seen these shorts before. I'm going to leave the two links to two videos. The first time you saw them, I cut the hem off and just made some char cloth out of them. A couple days later, for symmetry, I cut the other hem off, twisted it up, and used it for a bowstring. And when I got that fire going, then I untwisted the bowstring and made char cloth out of that. And I'll leave those two links at the end of the video and in the description. All right, y'all, do me a favor before you leave my channel. How about them helicopters coming through right now? Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Let's just save that piece.